Hello everyone, on this video I will to introduce myself. My name is Qoulan Karima, you can call me Ulan. I was born in Bandung, October 19 years old, 2002. I live in housing area Geraha Indah Lestari number 4, Banjaran. My hobby is watching Korean drama and listening music. My future goals become a successful entrepreneur. Hopefully, my future goals can come true. I stay with my family in our house. I usually wake up earlier than my little sister. I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning. I never forget to tidy up my bed and clean it up. After that, I wash my face and do cycle exercise for 5 minutes so I don't feel sleepy. Then I take a bath and pray. After that, I help my mother to prepare the breakfast. But at present, coronavirus has entered Indonesia. It make everything must be do by online, include my lectures. Because of that, I can spend much time with my family in the home from morning to evening. And my spare time I like to watch Korean drama. Sometimes I just lie down and there's no much I like to do in my spare time. Last holiday, I went to my grandma's house with my family. My grandma's house is near our house. It needs 5 hours by bus from my town. My mother brought food us to eat in the bus. And also for my grandma's, we had stayed at my grandma's house for a week. My grandma's always make me smile and happy because she loves us very much. The routes and means of transportation to grandma's house are also quite easy to remember. First, from home, take public transportation to the terminal. The routes and means of transportation. First, from the house, take public transportation to the terminal. Then, from the terminal, take the bus heading to Lebak Bulus, Bandung. And on the road, you pass several toll roads after arriving at the Lebak Bulus terminal. Take public transportation measures 8 to grandma's house one time by public transportation. After that, we just walk for only 10 minutes and then we get to grandma's house.